Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about angles. So basically there are two units that are used to measure angles. Those are, the first one is degree and the second one is radian. Let's say we have a circle. If I draw a straight line here, what I did, I split the circle into two equal sections. Now I split it into four equal sections, and if I continue doing it, I can further split it into many equal sections. Imagine I split it into 360 equal sections. Then the angle produced by that one section, for example, this is the one, right? The angle produced by that one section will be 1 degree. This is why we say every circle has 360 degrees. Okay, now we know why we say it. Because basically every circle is divided into 360 equal sections, and the angle of that one section is counted as 1 degree. Okay, now let's say we have another circle, and this is, we know, radius. Okay, let's say this is point A, B. Now if I start drawing an arc from this point to some other point, let's say this is B, okay, then how much will be this angle? This angle theta. Okay, now this angle theta in radians is going to be the length of the arc divided by the radius. Okay, if I want to measure this angle in radians, this theta in radians, it's going to be the length of the arc divided by the radius. So basically, radian is the ratio of the length of the arc to the radius. Okay, now if I want to know how many radians I have in the whole circle, so instead of this arc AB, I'll have to consider the arc starting from here, moving all there, because I want to know the total number of arcs. So I'll have to consider the whole boundary, right? And I know that the length of boundary, the outer boundary of a circle, is basically the circumference. And the circumference can be written as 2 pi r. So 2 pi r will be replaced by the length of the arc and divided by r. Okay, so r cancels with r, so I have 2 pi. Now what does this 2 pi mean? This 2 pi is the total number of radians in a whole circle. For example, if I start from here and I go all the way here, then the measurement of this angle starting from here and coming back to the same point is 2 pi radian. Okay, now if the whole circle is 2 pi, then half of it, okay, from here to here is going to be 2 pi radians, right? And the half of this, which is, we know that this is a 90 degree, so this is pi divided by 2, right? And the whole circle is 2 pi, right? And here also, this is 3 by 2 pi. Okay, now I know that every circle has 360 degree angle, and every circle has 2 pi radians in it, so I can easily say that 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, now how much is 1 radian? So I just keep 1 radian here, move it there, so this is going to be 360 divided by 2 pi. I can further simplify it. It is going to be 180 divided by pi degree. How much is 1 radian? 1 radian is 180 divided by pi degree. Now if I want to know how much is 1 degree, so I'll keep 1 here and move 3/6 to the other side. It's going to be 1 degree will be equal to 2 pi radian divided by 360. I can further simplify it, and this is going to be pi divided by 180 radian. These are the two important comparisons that you need to keep in your mind, which will help us in converting degrees to radians and the other way around. Suppose I want to convert 150 degree into radians. So what should I do? I'll write the same number here, 150. Okay. Now, if I multiply 150 with 1, does it make any difference? It does not make any difference, right? But it will help me to convert, right? I can do it, right? Instead of 150 degree, I can write 150 multiplied by 1 degree, right? The number is same, the quantity is same, the unit is same. I did not do anything different, right? Okay. Now, but instead of this 1 degree, I can write what? 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 per radian. So, I'll just write 150 multiplied by pi divided by 180 radian. So what happened? Instead of degree, I have radians now, right? I need to simplify it. 0 goes with 0, and then 3, 5, and 3, 6, right? So we have 5 divided by 6 pi radian. So how much is 150 degree? 150 degree is equal to 5 divided by 6 pi radian. Okay. Now let's take another example where I want to convert radian into degree. So let's say we take one of those 3 by 2 pi radian. I want to convert it into degrees. So even for this, if I do the same method, if I do a 3 by 2 pi instead of this radian, if I do it like multiply by 1 radian, right? If I multiply by 1, it does not make any difference, right? Because the number is same, the unit is still the same. But instead of this 1 radian, I will write what? I will write the degree form, right? So I can write 3 divided by 2 pi. Instead of 1 radian, I will say 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi. Now pi cancels with pi, and 3 times 180 is 540 divided by 2, so this is 270 degree. So I can say 3 by 2 pi radian is equal to 270 degree. This is how we convert from one to another. So the lesson today was about the measurement of angle. There are two units that we use normally to measure angles. One is degree. Every circle has 360 degree because basically it is split into 360 equal sections, and the angle of one section is considered as 1 degree. And then we have radian. Radian is nothing but the ratio of the length of an arc to the radius. Okay, so if I want to know the measurement of any angle in radians, all I need to do is, for example, here, it can be, well, it's not a very straight, it's not a very good circle, but you will get the idea. For example, this one, right? It can be any circle. So if I want to know this theta in radians, all I need to know is this arc length, then divided by arc, and it will give me the angle in radians. I hope you understood the idea, and that's it for today. Have a nice day.